Hey, TD and Papa.
Hey. Ooh. Little Olivia's got the hiccups. We just thought we'd share them with you. We're getting some stage fright. This is also the poopy face too. So you see she's in the position. She has her hands together and she'll get the very serious face. And then she, and that's how it happens. That's how the magic happens. The diaper magic. She's a diaper genie. Whoa! That was a big one. Good job.
I'm rather sorry to subject you to this, TD. Trace really wanted you to see the hiccups.
You smell fantastic, little one.
I don't think you want to see the next part, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording.